G'day, my name is Wilfred from Loch, Victoria, Australia. Today's date is the 2nd of the 8th 2015 and it's 18 to 10 in the morning. I fixed up the backyard but best I can at the moment, but I wanted to quickly, when I got back from the beach, from the lake I should say, they appeared in the tree there, wanted to have a bit of feed, so just grab some food for them, let them have a bit to eat. The one on the left, the younger version, it kind of shakes its head when it's eating. On the right. So I'll give them a bit of food for the morning and let them have a feast. I'm happy I fixed up the backyard, I tell you. You can actually see the stones now. Now we're just going to try to put some couch grass into there a little bit at a time, and hopefully that couch grass might grow. We might get a lawn back again. And then I've got to wait for the weather to dry out so I can actually clean out the porch again. It's beautiful the other days. Got one half of the house clean, the other half next day I go, I'll do it next day, a bucket down and rain, great. I'll let them feed for a little bit, then we'll head off because we've still got to go to the surf beach. I found these birds here are not that aggressive, these ones. It surprises me when they do turn aggressive, because most of the time they'll sit down and feed other birds. They won't fight over the food. Yeah, magpie. I knew it. Oh, another magpie didn't want that one. Oh well. I'm going to head off. We've got a giant sand pit in the backyard. Well, my name is Wilfred from Loch, Victoria, Australia, signing off. Thank you for watching my videos, and all comments are welcome. You all have a great day now.